Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to live stream session with the Axiom Interns. Today's agenda is to have a stream on Axiom Interns actually pitching to the investors what they are developing as a for white label platforms. They'll be providing live presentations and expecting a review on the ideas on the projects they are working, at the same time expecting the investment from the investors. Guys, at Axiom Internship, we offer them the various project topics on which they have to research it on during this internship. They have to apply their knowledge and complete that applications, work on the team leads, tech leads will help them out to resolve and assist them for the development. Today's agenda is to have this live review sessions over the we develop a template by using which they are going to pitch to the investors. As I already explained here, that they are developing a white label applications. Now, first of all, let us understand what exactly white label applications means. They are actually working on various platforms like healthcare, garments, real estate, food, and hospitality. These are the five white label platforms they get assigned to work it on. So basically, small clients, considering clients, can't afford custom application development. Sometimes for the digitalizations and to develop applications for their organizations or for their business, it becomes a heavy investment. At the same time, as they have a limited technical expertise, so how to manage this entire technical operations, that is also the challenge sometimes. So considering these all the points, white label applications will work, right? Because the reason is the exist applications are too expensive, not customizable and complex. So in case of small clients, it's just a white label platforms become a solution, a ready to brand platform that businesses can launch under their name, under their own name in 48 hours. They have to just change the name. That's it. That entire software, their entire applications will work for them and resolve their all the ongoing issues regarding regarding the digitalizations. And that is what exactly white label platform will do. So in considering this, the need of that all the applications, SaaS based platforms for healthcare, garments, real estate, food and hospitality, Axiom's entrance team is actually developing white label platforms for these all the applications, so that small business owners can customize their requirement by just converting their applications, converting this application to their own. And this is what the motive behind this white label platform development. So today's agenda is Axiom Entrance will pitch to the investors to invest on the this white label platform development so that the investors will get the return of investments, and in this manner entrance will get a chance to do a R&D on the white label platforms for the topics assigned to them. So I'll open this forum for Axiom's entrance team to pitch to the investors. Over to you guys.
So hey everyone, today we'll explore Elite Care, our white label solution built to democratize healthcare infrastructure. We will demonstrate how this platform seamlessly transformed traditional local medical practices into digital first market leaders without the burden of custom development cost. So as you can see, Lightcare is a white label patient portal built to give local independent clinics the same kind of modern digital experience that giant healthcare network use. Instead of patients getting stuck on hold or clinics using unsafe tools, our platform provides a smooth, secure mobile experience for booking appointments, texting doctors, and handling bills. The best part is that it plugs right into the clinic's existing electronic health record system, meaning that staff don't have to waste hours manually typing in data. We are essentially leveling the playing field, giving local doctors an elite, secure digital setup at a price they can actually afford, so they can so that they can keep their patients happy and focus on what they do best. So as you can see, the biggest threat to independent medical practices today isn't the quality of care, it's a massive digital accessibility gap. Venture-backed competitors are rapidly capturing market share by deploying slick proprietary mobile apps that clinics simply don't have the capital to build. While 70% of the patient now demand on digital experiences like instant scheduling and secure messaging, independent practices remain trapped by legacy infrastructure when they try to patch this with a cheap off-shelf software. Because these generic tools can't integrate with existing electronic health record, clinical staffs are forced into highly inefficient manual data entry workflow. We solve this with a secure white label patient portal engineered specifically for this fragment market by delivering enterprise-grade mobile access and native EHR integration at a fractional SaaS price point. We enable local practices to protect their margins and eliminate the digital advantage of giant healthcare networks. So as you can see, our solutions bring everything together into a single seamless white label platform split across four core features. It starts with a secure patient portal that gives patients instant, all-in-one access to their medical records and prescriptions. To keep things running smoothly, smart scheduling automates live appointment bookings to eliminate scheduling frictions and cut down on no-shows. We have also built a teleconsultation for higher definition video visits that automatically handle medical charting alongside an intelligent AI system checker that helps triage patients and guides them into the right care before they even look an appointment. Together, these pieces give local practices a highly investable elite digital experience that easily goes head to head with big elite care networks. So as you can see, we are looking at a massive untapped market opportunity with a total addressable market of 20,000 crores. When we narrow that down to our serviceable addressable market, the independent clinics we can realistically reach, it sits at an substantial 5,000 crores. Our immediate target, the serviceable obtainable market that we plan to capture in the near term, is a highly realistic 100 crores. This represents a massive financial upside because the current market solutions like Practo come with a higher cost, custom software demands, or complex features that just don't fit the needs or budget of local practices. We are stepping right into the gap to claim a huge piece of very lucrative pie. Finally, as you can see in the image, our business model turns this opportunity into the predictable, high profile growth using straightforward subscription tiers, basic at 5,000 per month, pro at 12,000 per month, and enterprise at 25,000 per month, complemented by setup fees and transaction charges. The numbers shows incredibly strong unit economics with a customer acquisition cost of 10,000 paid against a lifetime value, giving us an impressive ratio. Looking at our 1 year projection, we plan to scale from 10 clients in a month to 3 to 50 clients by month 12, driving our monthly revenue up to 5 lakhs. Since this is a scalable SaaS product where we build once and sell to multiple clients, our operating costs stay lower at 3 lakhs, allowing us to hit a healthy monthly profit of rupees 2 lakh with a 70 to 80% gross margin by the end of year. So as you can see, our investment ask is rupees 50 lakhs for 15% equity, which opens up an incredibly lucrative path for returns. We plan to allocate these funds very strategically. 40% will go directly into the product development to finish scaling our core EHR integrations. 30% is set aside for sales and marketing to acquire clinics quickly, and 20% will cover critical operations, and we are keeping a 10% buffer to stay agile. The payoff here is a massive. We are projecting a year three valuation of rupees 5 crores plus, which immediately burns the value of that 50% stake up to 75 lakhs, translating to a 50% potential return on your investment. As an investor, the core value comes from backing a high margin SaaS model built entirely on highly predictable recurring revenue with exponential scalable growth potential. When the time comes, we have mapped out multiple clear exits opportunities to lock in those gains, whether that is a strategic SaaS acquisition by a larger healthcare tech player, a long-term IPO path, or a steady revenue sharing and a dividends along the way. So as you can see, the So as you can see, our product roadmap is structured into a clear high discipline phases that takes us from core foundation to an enterprise grade scale. Phase 1 is MVP. Core foundation is taking 3 months and costing 8 to 10 lakhs. This phase builds our baseline system. It covers core appointment booking, patient records management, multi-tenancy, a basic admin dashboard, and an essential electronic health record. This budget handles team salaries, cloud infrastructure development tools, testing, and quality assurance. The next phase is market ready, also spanning 3 months with a budget of 10 to 12 lakhs. This phase adds commercial grade feature like advanced white label branding, payment gateway integration, our AI system checker, telemedicine video consultation, and full mobile apps for Android and iOS. The cost go towards team salaries, AI feature development, mobile apps execution, and detailed branding and UI/UX testing. Third phase is about scaling. This is our ongoing phase focused on long-term expansion, adding enterprise modules, third-party integrations, dedicated cloud setups, advanced analytics, and multi-clinic location support. This runs on a predictable monthly cost of rupees 5 lakhs, covering infrastructure, maintenance team, security monitoring, and support. Everything adds up to a total first-year development cost of rupees 25 to 30 lakhs. Because we build the architecture once and deploy it across multiple clients, we maintain an incredibly efficient engine that unlocks a 70 to 80% gross margin with a highly predictable recurring subscription revenue. So our talent strategy is complementary mapped out to balance our current execution power with strategic post-funding growth in a single photograph. We are already operating with a highly capable core engine consisting of two front-end developers handling UI and dashboard development, two back-end developers managing our APIs and database infrastructure, one QA engineer overseeing rigorous testing, and one tech lead providing system design and architecture leadership. A major advantage for us is that this is an agile, Axiom trained development team supported by a highly experienced industry mentor. Once this investment is secured, we will immediately scale our operations and commercial capabilities by bringing on one UI UX designer for user experience and branding, one sales manager to accelerate client acquisition, once DevOps engineer to optimize our cloud infrastructure. So as you can see, our go-to-market strategy is built around three clear high-impact channels, combined with a compelling launch offer to quickly capture the independent healthcare spaces. First, we are using direct sales to target independent clinics, diagnostic centers, physiotherapy chains, and multi-specialty healthcare hubs. Second, we are scaling to reach through healthcare partnerships by collaborating directly with healthcare associations, medical networks, clinical management groups, and independent healthcare solutions. Third, our digital marketing channel will drive through leads using strategic LinkedIn campaigns, industry-specific promotions, to eliminate frictions and accelerate our early adoptions. We are rolling out aggressive launch offer that features a free 30-day trial, entirely free branding setup for our first 10 clients, and dedicated onboarding support to ensure every clinic transition to our platform smoothly. So this is our investment slide. Our investment requirement is about 50 lakhs for 15% in equity, presenting a highly lucrative entry point to a sector. Investing in elite care means hacking a highly predictable recurring SaaS revenue model that yields high profit margin of 70 to 80%. Our fast deployment model allows us to scale rapidly within a growth digital healthcare markets where there is intense, strong market demands for healthcare digitalization. Because we operate on a scalable white label business model, we unlock multiple revenue streams while maintaining a highly efficient loop defined by a remarkably low customer acquisition cost and a high lifetime value. So that's all from my side, and that's now I'll hand it over to the next team to take you through their project. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present our project Orgos. Orgos is a AI-powered white-label garments e-commerce platform. Our platform uses artificial intelligence to help businesses make smarter decisions. Businesses can use our platform with their own brand name, logo, and design. Customers will only see the business's brand, not Orgos. Our platform is specially designed for garments businesses like manufacturer, wholesaler, boutiques, and clothing brands. Before talking about our solution, let's first understand the problem faced by the garment businesses. Today, many garment businesses want to sell their products online, however, they face several challenges. The first challenge is high development cost. Building a custom e-commerce website usually costs between 8 to 20 lakh, which is too expensive for many small and medium businesses. The second challenge is marketplace dependency. Most businesses sell our platform like Amazon, Flipkart. These platforms charge commissions and custom remembers the marketplace instead of the seller's own brand. Third problem is no customer ownership. Businesses can directly understand or communicate with their customers. Another problem is inventory management. Many businesses still manage stock manually, which leads to stock shortage, extra inventory, and mistakes. One of the biggest challenge is product returns due to incorrect sizing. Around 35 to 40% of fashion returns because customers select the wrong size, thus increases shipping cost and reduce profits. Many garments businesses also do not have AI powered insight. They cannot easily predict customer demands, pricing trends, or popular products. To solve all this problem, we create Orgos. Orgos is a cloud-based white label SaaS platform that helps garment businesses launch their own online store within a few days instead of several months. Our platform helps garment businesses launch their own brands online store quickly without investing in expensive custom software. It brings manufacturers, vendors, customers, and administrator onto a single platform, making the entire business easier to manage. Our AI help customers choose the correct clothing size, virtual try on product before purchasing, receive future price alert, and get personalized product recommendation. On the business sides, AI help vendors and administrators understand customer behavior, identify better businesses opportunity through vendor heatmap, and even allow customers to design custom clothes according to their preference. These intelligent features reduce product returns, improve customer satisfaction, increases sales, and help businesses make smarter decisions.
Now let's understand the market. India has one of the largest textile industries in the world. Our market divided into three parts. First part, textile. This is the complete market opportunity. It is more than 8 lakh crore. SAM means serviceable available market. This is a market we can actually serve it around the 75 crore. And SOM means serviceable obtainable market. This is the market we aim to capture up first it around the 500 crore. Market validation. According to our research, 82% of the businesses want their own digital brands. 76% want AI powered features. 71% need a inventory automations. This proves there is a strong demand of Orgos. Competitive advantages are platforms like Spotify, WooCommerce provide a e-commerce solution, but Orgos is specially built for a garment businesses. It provides AI features, multi-vendor support, and garment-specific tools. This makes Orgos different from the existing platforms. Now let's understand about how Orgos earn money. We have a multiple revenue source. First, monthly SaaS subscriptions. Customer pay every month to use your platform. Second, we can see the white label setup fee. Businesses pay once the branding and setup. Third, AI premium services. Advanced AI features are available with the premium plans. Now, API charges. Businesses pay for additional API usage. Fifth, advertisement revenue. Businesses can promote a product through the advertisement. And sixth, transaction fees. We earn a small fees on successfully transaction. Pricing plans are which provided three plans. Basic plans are 2000, professional plan for 6000, and enterprise plan offer up prices. This allow businesses of every sizes of the users or goals. And now let understand explain how investment requirement. We are seeing 50 lakhs for a 15% equity. Use of funds, the investment will be used for 40% product development, 30% marketing, 20% operations, and 10% for buffers. Buffer plans, growth plans, our target is 100 clients in year 1 and 350 clients in year 2 and 1,000 clients in year 3. Exit opportunity, investors can exist through acquisition, series of funding, IPO, and revenue sharing.
So let us see development timeline and cost. This slide shows our complete development roadmap. We have divided the project into three phases over 12 months. In phase 1, we build the MVP in 3 months with core features like 3 months with core features like the storefront, vendor dashboard, and order management. In second phase, we make the platform market ready by adding white label support, payment integration, and AI size recommendation. Finally, in the third phase, we focus on scaling with advanced features like virtual try-on analytics and API integration. The total estimate development core is 26 lakhs. In this slide, that in this slide, the team required. This slide explains our development team. Currently, our core team includes a project team lead, project lead, UI UX designer, React developers,
Node.js developer, QA engineer, and tech leads. As the business grow, we plan to hire AI engineer, sales managers, and customer success manager. Our technology stack includes React, Node.js, Python, AWS, OpenAI, and Docker. After that, go to the market strategy. This slide explains how we will reach to our customers. We will use direct sales, textiles association, MSME partnership, LinkedIn digital marketing, and social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Our sales funnel starts with awareness, then demos, free trials, and finally paid customers. To attract new users, we are offering a 30 days free trial, free branding, and free setups. These slides, this is our investment proposal. We are seeking 50 lakhs in exchange for 50% equity. Orga stands out because it is AI power, supports multiple vendors, offers a vendor level SaaS module, genera- generates recurring revenue, and is designed to scale. Our vision is to empower more than 10,000 garments business with their own branding digital commerce ecosystem. We are not just building another e-commerce platform. We are building the digital infrastructure for the garments industry. Thank you for your valuable time and attention. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of our vision and business model.
Good morning, everyone. We are Team Urban Nest Reality, and today we are presenting our AI-powered real estate intelligence platform. Buying property is one of the biggest financial decisions people make in their lifetime. Yet most real estate platforms simplify show listening without helping users understand whether a property actually a good investment. Urban Nest Reality was created to solve this problem. Urban Nest Reality was our vision is simple: help buyers make smarter decisions while enabling real estate businesses to launch their own branded digital platform through our white label ecosystem. Today, we will show how Urban Nest Reality combines artificial intelligence, analytics, and scalable SaaS technology to transfer the real estate experience. Let us first understand the problem. The real estate industry still faces several major challenges for buyers and investors. There is often too much inform but very little intelligence. Users spend weeks comparing properties across multiple websites without knowing which location offers better returns or growth potential. For builders, brokers, and agencies, creating a modern digital platform is expensive and time consuming. Developing a custom application can cost several lakhs and require months of development effort. At the same time, customers' expectations are changing rapidly. Most property searches now begin online, and users expect personalized recommendation, instant support, and data-driven insight. Existing solutions mainly focus on property listening. They rarely provide advanced analytics, investment intelligence, and customizable businesses solution. This creates a significant gap in the market. This is where urban niche reality comes in. Urban niche reality is more than property portal. It is a AI powered real estate intelligence platform. Our platform provides a complete ecosystem for buyers sellers and investors and agencies. Some of your key features includes first AI property assistance that provides assistant responses and helps users discover relevant properties. Second, property valuation tools and calculates that assists buyers and estimated property value and investment potential. Third, our investment heat maps, which helps users identify promising locations based on market trends and growth opportunities. Fourth, a personalized user dashboard that tracks activities, preferences, and engagement. And finally, your multiple stakeholder such as buyers, sellers, builders, and agents to operate within a single platform. What makes a unique is that entire platform can also be offered as a white label solution, allowing businesses to launch their own branded real estate ecosystem quickly and affordably. Now let's look at the market opportunity. Indian The Indian ProTech market is growing rapidly due to increasing internet penetration, digital adoption, and demand for smarter investment tools. Our total addressable market includes the broader real estate technology sector. Our serviceable available market consists of digital property platform, agencies, builders, and real estate consultants looking the technology solution. Our serviceable optimal market focuses on early adoption by builder, agencies, and regional property businesses. When compared with traditional platforms, Urban Nest Reality provides a stronger combination of AI capabilities, analytics, customization, and white label development. Our business's model is designed around requiring revenue and scalability. We generate revenue through a multiple challenges. The first is subscription plans for businesses. We offer basic, pro, and enterprise package depending on the level of functionality required. The second revenue stream comes from premium property, listening and advertisement. The third comes from white label platform, listening for builders, agencies, and real estate organization. Additional revenue can be generated through API access, lead generation services, and advanced analytic models. The beauty of the white label model is that develop the platform once and sell it the multiple times. As more clients join, operational cost increases slowly and while requiring revenue grows significant. This allows you to maintain high gross margin and build a high scalable businesses. Now let's discuss why this is an attractive investment opportunity. We are seeking funding and accelerated the product development, market expansion, and customer acquisition. The majority of funds will be allocated toward product enhancement, marketing, operation, and infrastructure. As our subscription base grows, requiring monthly revenue increases, while platform development costs remain relatively stable. By year 3, our projected valuation can increase substantially due to requiring annual revenue and SaaS-based businesses fundamentals. This creates multiple exit opportunities, including by large protech and SaaS companies, revenue sharing models, or long-term expansion toward public markets. Our development roadmap consists of three phases. Phase 1 focuses on the MVP. This includes the core marketplace, AI chatbots, and user management system. Many of these foundational components have already been developed. Phase 2 focus on creating a market-ready solution with payment integration, advantages branding capability, mobile support, and enhanced AI functionality. Phase 3 this includes enterprises features, third-party integration, advanced analytics, and dedicated infrastructures. For large clients, this phase approach allows to validate the market early while continuously expanding capability. Now, these parts will be demonstrated by my teammate.
Now, of course, there are
Now, of
various
course,
things
there
as
are
a
various
prospector,
things as
various like we all know that investor has various confusions. So with the theory concepts, we have live implementation of the website, which consists of AI chatbot, heat map investment analysis, user dashboard, and white label branding concept. So here you can see here is a functional website which offers variety of the features. First thing I would like to hear for the blog sections. So as you all can see, here are tons of articles. So basically, whomsoever wishes to write newswire, so they can join here and they could collaboration here. So the variety of writers and the journalists could just opt here, and they could just make a revenue, creating a proper ecosystem. So this is one of the point. Now talking about pricing point. So here is a pricing point. As you all can see, here are a variety of the plans so that whomsoever user want to opt here, they can choose from variety of the features. Now here is the VIP listing feature. So basically, whomsoever want their listing to be premiumly mentioned, they could mention here and they could get a supreme advantage. Also, they are considering the minds of comfort of viewers. So we have integrated a variety of the features like AI chatbot is there, so they will definitely assist for variety of the things. This make people search way more comfortable and convenience. Also, just in case if viewer doesn't find anything, so here we have WhatsApp chatbot enabled. With one click, the viewer can approach their our agents and they could just guide them properly. Also, you can see here variety of the things like heat map is one of the very interesting feature I would like to focus here. Like basically, let's say you got a builder who want to sell his property into the higher price. So we can just help him listing into the heat map. So the variety of the people could come here and invest here. As you all can see, our our planning consists of variety of the cities. So it will be definitely helpful for connecting of the variety of the sections. Also here include we have ad sections also. Like the most of the real estate platforms are really focused on just buyers and sellers or renters. But we are creating a network where we can just involve variety of vendors and contractors also. So basically they could also expand their network and at the end of the day you will get a proper ecosystem where vendors and variety of the technicians could join the. Now here, the inspiration of the vendor is, I would like to say, one of the very famous company, that is Toyota. When they were making their models in the Japan industry, so they were a bit confused of introducing cars in such a manner so that they could create a proper system of tuning factors. So they introduced their variety of the matter, and it went very properly. So the inspiration goes here. Also, we have mentioned variety of the service so that people could join here and plan accordingly. Now, when it comes to investors' perspective, we need to understand that a gradual growth is really important rather than spiking growth. So when we are investing into urban nest reality, you're not just investing into a proper financial model which will give you significant revenue, but you're also gaining the data insights. Like here is one thing I would like to mention. So basically, let's say we just opt here, and here we have implemented the concept of gamification, which involve a proper engagement. So basically, if investor is involved into other brands, so basically other brands could join here, and also so we could add their scratches card, gift cards, so they could also feel rewarded and appreciated. Also, this is from our practical implementation for up till yet. Now talking from here, now will just go for the PPT. Like as you all can see, I have shown you variety of the things. Now beauty of white label marketing concept is that the structure will remain same, but you could launch a variety of the brands from here. Let's say if you launch one brand, and let's say hypothetically it doesn't work properly. So you can just fix the error and launch it again. Now the other implementation is where we can launch 2-3 bands simultaneously. In that case, the if you launch one brand, so the user will get a question that whether I should go with this brand or not. But when you launch 2-3 brands, then the user has to get a whether I could go with one, whether I could go with two, or whether I could go with three. So the option of neglecting or cancellation get ignored. Now I would like to give an example of practical example where Pepsi and Coca-Cola were involved. So basically they have same factory, but when you say their branding labels, so customer could choose from variety of the labels, but at the end of the day, revenue goes to the company and investment goes up. Now here all you can see the phase one, as you have already mentioned, the phase one has been already completed. Marketplace is fully functional. AI assistant is proper deployment. Property management is sorted, and user dashboard create variety of the features. So we could just engage them properly. Phase two is very interesting phase where it get excited. We are planning on mobile application, so basically we can just get a proper data insights. Also, just in case I doesn't mention, we have VTS system integrated which will just track the data around cookies. So whomsoever doesn't come to just show up for the website, but just in case doesn't go to our products and services, we could just analyze this properly that what are their expectations. So it is a huge chance of improvement and growth. Now here also phase three, like you can all see, we are providing software as a services. Also AI enterprise integration will be enhanced, and AI recommendation engine will be also been taken to the next level. Now at present we have variety of the team consist of front-end developers, back-end developers, QA engineer, and of course project mentors. And after we will get a significant amount of funding, we are opting for the variety of the roles. From that time we will get the UX UI designer, sales manager, DevOps engineer, and customer success manager. So we are having a big vision with your support. Also our go-to-market strategy is way more much single. Channel one is consist of builder and developers, channel two consist of real estate agencies, channel three consists of property consultant, and channel four consists of digital marketing and content. Because at the end of the day, if your product is not digital, then it doesn't exist, not at all. Now our base plan in terms of user offers variety of the things like 30-day free trial, free branding setup, and early adopter discounts. Now our final call is way more simple. As we all know that property tech industry is going. So property tech industry guidance with AI power platform with wide revenue model and recruiting subscription model, scalable SSL model are the variety of the features which we offer in terms of investor, so that investor could get a proper revenue. Also our investment task is way more much clear, 5 crores for 50% equity. Now let me just clear you properly that it is not the investment kind of thing that you will get 1x and you will get 5x, but also you are getting a data and network of the variety of people. So basically if investor is engaging into other brands also, so it opens for the room of investor so that he or she could just bring variety of the brands into one place and we could just advertise it properly. That's all from my side. Thank you. Urbanist Reality presentation ends here.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. We are delighted to present Food Mitra, a smart food ordering and delivery platform designed to transform the way people discover, order, and experience food. I am Dia, the UI UX designer of our team. Along with me are Nayan, our front-end developer, and Raghavendra, our back-end developer. Today, we have combined technology, artificial intelligence, and customer-centric thinking to build a platform that solves real-world problems in the food delivery industry. Today, Ordering food has become a daily habit of millions of people. However, despite having several food delivery platforms available, customers still face many challenges. They spend too much time deciding what to eat, struggle while placing group orders, find it difficult to discover healthy or homemade meals. Before talking about our solution, let's first understand the challenges that customers experience every single day. The first challenge is decision fatigue. Most users spend several minutes scrolling endlessly through hundreds of food options without knowing what they actually want. Existing platforms show the same restaurants repeatedly instead of understanding the user's mood, taste, or preferences. This creates confusion rather than convenience. The second problem is group ordering chaos. Whether it's office lunches, school friends, or family gatherings, coordinating multiple orders becomes frustrating. Different food choices, separate payments, and communication delays make the process unnecessarily complicated. The third issue is lack of homemade food availability. Many students, working professionals, and senior citizens prefer fresh homemade meals or tiffin services. However, these providers are largely invisible on mainstream food delivery platforms, making them difficult to discover. Next comes health discovery. As people become more health conscious, they look for meals based on calories, protein, diet plans, or medical conditions. Unfortunately, existing platforms offer only basic filtering, making it difficult to find truly healthy food options. Another major problem is fragmented catering services. Booking catering for birthdays, corporate events, or family functions often involves searching through WhatsApp groups or unverified contacts, creating uncertainty regarding quality and reliability. Then there is inefficient hyperlocal delivery. Many small restaurants and nearby food vendors cannot reach customers because delivery services focus mainly on larger restaurants and wider delivery zones. As a result, both businesses and customers lose valuable opportunities. These problems clearly shows that the current food delivery ecosystem still has significant gaps waiting to be solved. To solve these challenges, we developed Food Mitra, an intelligent food platform that combines personalization, convenience, health, and local accessibility into one seamless experience. Our first feature is food AI mood based recommendations. Instead of forcing users to browse endlessly, our AI understands their mood and preferences, whether someone feels like comfort food after work, wants a healthy breakfast, or is craving something spicy. Food Mitra recommends meals that truly match their needs. This reduces decision fatigue and makes ordering much faster. The second feature is smart group ordering. Food Mitra allows multiple users to join one order, choose different restaurants while applicable, split payments easily, and track everything from one interface. This simplifies order for offices, families, or friends. The third feature is homemade food and tiffin support. Unlike existing delivery apps, Food Mitra provides a dedicated marketplace for verified home chefs and tiffin providers. Customers gain access to fresh homemade meals while small food entrepreneurs receive a digital platform to grow their business. Our next feature is Smart Health Filter. Users can search food based on calories, dietary preferences, protein content, diabetic friendly options, vegetarian meals, or other nutritional requirements. This encourages healthier food choices without sacrificing convenience. The fifth feature is integrated catering services. Customers can compare verified caterers, browse menus, receive quotations, and book catering services directly within the application instead of relying on scattered social media groups. Finally, our hyperlocal delivery network ensures faster deliveries by connecting nearby restaurants and local vendors with customers in their neighborhood. This not only reduces delivery time but also supports small local businesses. Together, these six features make Food Mitra much more than a food delivery application. It becomes a complete food ecosystem that serves customers, restaurants, and home chefs and caterers on a single platform. Now, Let's look at why this is the right time to build Food Mitra. India's online food delivery market is expanding rapidly due to increasing smartphone usage, digital payments, and changing consumer lifestyles. Today, there are more than 320 million urban smartphone users in India who actively use online services. Our serviceable addressable market is estimated at approximately 45,000 crore, and the industry continues to grow at nearly 28% every year. This represents an enormous opportunity for innovation. However, market size alone is not enough. While companies like Swiggy and Zomato have built excellent restaurant delivery platforms, their primary focus remains restaurant aggregation. Food Mitra goes beyond food delivery. We introduce AI powered mood based recommendations that help users discover meals instead of endlessly searching. We create a marketplace for homemade food and tiffin providers serving an audience that remains largely undeserved. Our advanced health filters allow users to inform dietary choices based on nutrition instead of only cuisine. Our integrated group ordering system removes the complexity of ordering for multiple people. We also provide verified catering services, a segment that remains highly fragmented despite growing demand. Finally, our subscription plans and hyperlocal delivery model create recurring revenue opportunities while supporting neighborhood restaurants and food businesses. This unique offerings position Food Mitra as a comprehensive food technology platform rather than just another food delivery app. Now, I would like to explain the business model and profitability of Food Mitra. Food Mitra follows a multi revenue business model, which means we generate income from multiple sources instead of relying on just one. This approach reduces business risk, creates a stable cash flow, and supports long term growth. Our first revenue is restaurant commission. Whenever a customer places an order through Food Mitra, the restaurant pays us a small commission on every successful order. For example, if a customer orders food worth rupees 500, we receive a percentage of that amount as commission. This is our primary source of revenue. The second source is subscription plans. We offer premium subscription packages for restaurant partners. These plans provide benefits such as priority listing, improved visibility, marketing support, and business analytics. In return, restaurants pays a monthly subscription fee, giving us a recurring and predictable income. Our third revenue is catering commission. Customers can book catering services through Food Mitra for weddings, birthday celebrations, office meetings, and other events. Whenever a catering book is completed, we earn a commission from our catering partners. The fourth source is featured advertisements. Restaurants can promote their businesses by purchasing featured listings or banner advertisements on our platform. This increases their visibility while creating an additional advertising revenue stream for Food Mitra. Finally, we generate revenue through delivery charges. Customers pays a small delivery fee for every order. This fee helps cover delivery operations while also contributing to the platform's overall income. As you can see, these five revenue streams work together to create a sustainable, scalable, and profitable business model. Now that we have understood how Food Mitra generates revenue, let's move on how the investment will be utilized and the returns we expect from it. We are seeking rupees 20 lakhs in seed funding to build, launch, and scale Food Mitra over the first 6 months. This investment isn't just funding development, it's building the foundation of a scalable food tech platform with recurring revenue. More than half of the investment, 55%, will be allocated to product development. This includes building the customer application, restaurant dashboard, admin panel, payment integration, AI recommendation engine, and the overall platform infrastructure. Another 25% is dedicated to technology and AI enhancements, ensuring a recommendation engine becomes smarter as more users interact with the platform, giving us a long term competitive advantage. To successfully enter the market, 15% of the budget is allocated to marketing and customer acquisition. This will help us onboard restaurants, attract our initial customer base, and build brand awareness in our launch city. The remaining 5% is reserved for legal, compliance, and operational expenses, ensuring the business is built on a strong and sustainable foundation. Our business model is designed around multiple recurring revenue streams. Revenue will come from premium customer subscriptions, restaurant commissions, featured listing, advertising opportunities, and corporate meal partnerships. This diversification reduces dependency on any single source of income and creates predictable cash flow. Based on our financial projections, we expect to reach break even within 12 to 15 months after launch. Once the platform is validated in one city, our technology allows us to expand efficiently into 5 or more cities by year 2 without rebuilding the core platform. So, this 20 lakh investment is not simply funding an application, it's enabling the creation of a scalable AI powered food ecosystem with recurring revenue, strong growth potential, and a clear roadmap toward profitability. Let's take a look at the development timeline that will guide Food Mitra from launch to growth. Our execution is divided into three well defined phases over 24 months, ensuring that every stage is validated before moving to the next. Phase 1 focuses on building our minimum viable product or MVP during the first 6 months. With an investment of 20 lakhs, we'll develop the core features such as food ordering, AI powered mood based food recommendations, restaurant onboarding, and the mobile application. The goal of this phase is to launch a functional platform, acquire our first users, and validate our business model. Phase 2 is our market readiness stage, covering the next 6 months with an investment of 15 lakhs. During this phase, we'll introduce advanced features like group ordering, smart health filters, and delivery tracking. We will also optimize the user experience, expand our restaurant network, and strengthen customer retention while growing our user base. Phase 3 is the scaling phase, which spans the following 12 months with an additional rupees 15 lakhs of investment. Here, we will expand our services by introducing catering solutions, subscription plans, homemade food, and tiffin support. The phase is focused on increasing revenue streams, expanding into new cities, and preparing the platform for large scale growth. Overall, our planned investment of rupees 50 lakhs is strategically allocated to build, validate, and scale Food Mitra. By following this roadmap, we aim to create a strong technological foundation, achieve sustainable user growth, and position Food Mitra as a leading AI powered food tech platform ready for expansion. At Food Mitra, we believe that execution is just as important as the idea. That's why we are building a lean, cross functional team capable of moving quickly while keeping operational costs low. Our current core team focuses on the essential product development functions. We have a front-end developer responsible for creating a smooth mobile and web experience using React Native, a backend developer building scalable APIs and our AI-powered recommendation engine, a UI UX designer ensuring an engaging user experience, and a quality assurance tester maintaining product quality through both manual and automated testing. As we scale beyond our launch phase, we have a clear hiring roadmap. We'll bring in operations manager to streamline delivery logistics and restaurant partnerships, a marketing lead to drive customer acquisition and brand growth, and a data scientist to continuously improve our AI recommendation models using customer behavior and analytics. This structured hiring approach allows us to remain capital efficient while ensuring we bring in the right expertise exactly when it's needed. Our go to market strategy is designed around one principle: meeting customers where they already spend their time. We'll leverage social media platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts by collaborating with food creators who collectively reach over 100,000 monthly viewers. This gives us affordable yet high impact visibility. On the supply side, we will onboard more than 50 local restaurants in our launch city by offering zero commission during the first month. This helps us quickly build a strong restaurant network while lowering barriers to partnership. To reach our primary audience, students, we will work with campus ambassadors across multiple colleges to promote exclusive group ordering offers and homemade tiffin subscriptions. Additionally, we will collaborate with micro influencers in the food and lifestyle space, encouraging authentic word of mouth marketing. Finally, our referral program rewards both the referrer and the new customer with credits, creating a self sustaining viral growth loop. Together, these strategies allows us to acquire customers efficiently while keeping our marketing cost significantly lower than traditional food delivery platform. To bring Food Mitra to market successfully, we are seeking an investment of 20 lakhs. This funding will provide us with approximately 6 months of runway to complete product development, launch in our first city, onboard restaurant partners, execute marketing campaigns, and reach our initial customer milestones. We believe Food Mitra presents a compelling investment opportunity for five key reasons. First, our AI powered mood based recommendation engine creates a personalized food discovery experience that differentiates us from existing platforms. Second, we are entering one of the India's fastest growth industries with the online food delivery market expanding at approximately 28% compound annual growth rate. Third, our business is diversified through multiple revenue streams, including restaurant commissions, premium subscriptions, advertising, catering services, and tiffin partnerships. Fourth, our subscription based model generates predictable recurring revenue, improving long term business sustainability. Finally, our focus on healthy meals and homemade food addresses the rapidly growth market segment that remains undeserved by current food delivery platforms. With your investment, Food Mitra has the potential to redefine how people discover, order, and enjoy food while building a scalable and profitable businesses. Thank you for your time and consideration. We believe Food Mitra isn't just another food delivery platform, it is an AI driven food ecosystem built around personalization, health, and convenience. We would be excited to partner with you and turn this vision into reality. Thank you. Now I hand over this presentation to the next team.
Hello everyone. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our vision today. I'm excited to introduce Travel IQ, an AI-powered travel intelligence platform designed to help travelers make smarter, more confident decisions before they book their trip. Travel has become more accessible than ever before. People can book flights, hotels, and vacation packages within minutes. Yet, despite all the technology available today, planning a trip remains surprisingly complicated. Before booking, travelers often ask such as, is this the right decision for my budget? What will the weather be like? Is this the best time to visit? Will the destination be overcrowded? Should I book now or wait for the better price? Is this location safe and suitable for my preferences? Unfortunately, there is no single platform that provides all these answers in one place. This gap in the travel industry inspired us to build Travel IQ. Our mission is simple to help travelers make smarter decisions, reduce uncertainty, and create better travel experience through the power of AI and real time intelligence. To understand why this opportunity is significant, let's first examine the challenges travelers face today. Today, traveler planning is highly fragmented. When some plans a trip, they typically switch between multiple applications and websites. They may use one platform to search flights, another to hotels, YouTube to watch destination reviews, Google to check weather forecast, and social media for the understand local experience. The information exists. The problem is that it is scattered everywhere. Currently, travel companies has done a fascinating job simplifying bookings. However, booking is only one part of the journey. The real challenge is making the right decision before spending money. A traveler may book a destination only to discover that the weather is unfavorable. Tourist attractions are overcrowded. Prices suddenly increase. Travel affect the entire itinerary. Local conditions do not match expectations. As a result, travelers lose time, spend more money, and often experience disappointment. This is where we see a major opportunity. Instead of helping people simply book trips, we want to help them make better decisions. And this is exactly what Travel IQ is designed to do. Travel IQ combines artificial intelligence, real time travel data, predictive analytics, and personalized recommendation into a single intelligent platform. Think of Travel IQ as a personal advisor available 24/7. Instead of searching across multiple platforms, user receives all the information they need in one place. For example, imagine a traveler has a budget of 15,000 and want to plan a weekend getaway. Rather than displaying hundreds of random destinations, Travel IQ analyze budget concentrate, traveler preferences, weather forecast, air quality, crowd density, traffic condition, safety indicators, and seasonal events. Based on these factors, the platform recommendations destinations that are most suitable for the specific traveler. Some of our key innovation includes AI-powered destination recommendation, travel sustainable scores, budget compatibility analysis, price prediction technology, AI-generated itinerary, real-time traveler intelligence, personalized travel planning. In short, we are transforming travel planning for guesswork into a data-driven decision making. Now that we discussed the problem and solution, let's look at the size of opportunity. The travel industry represents one of the largest and fastest growing market globally. The global travel and tourism industry exceeds 11 trillion, making it one of the most significant economic sector. Within this massive ecosystem, online travel platform and technology solution accounts of hundreds of billions of dollars in annual transactions. At the same time, traveler expectations are changing. Modern travelers no longer want generic recommendation. They expect personalization, real-time insight, intelligent recommendation, and seamless digital experience. This is a shift is creating a complete new category within travel technology, travel intelligence. India represents a particular attractive market. The rapid growth of the internet penetration, digital payments, smartphone adoption, and domestic tourism has created millions of digital connected travelers looking for smarter travel solutions. Our initial focus is on tech savvy travelers, families, students, and working professionals who actively seek better travel decisions rather than just booking options. This gives us access to a large, growing, and underserved market segment. However, market size alone is not enough. Investors also want to understand why we can compete successfully. Let me explain our competitive positions. Today, several successful travel platforms dominate the booking ecosystem. Companies like MMT, Agoda, Booking.com, and Google Traveler have built strong businesses by simplifying travel reservations. However, their primary focus remains transactional complication. Their object is to help user books, but our object is to help user decide. The distinguish is extremely important. Travel IQ introduced a completely different value proposition. Before booking, user want answer to ask like which destination best matches my budget? Is this the right season to visit? Should I book now or wait? Will I enjoy this destination based on my preferences? Traditional booking platforms provide limited assistance in answering their questions. Travel IQ addresses this gap through AI powered intelligence, personalized travel recommendation, travel sustainability scores, budget optimization, predictive pricing insight. As our platform evolves and collect more traveler behavior data, our recommendation engine becomes increasingly intelligent, creating a strong competitive advantages over time. This position Traveler IQ not as another booking platform, but as the intelligence layer of the travel ecosystem. And with a strong competitive position established, the next question becomes, how do we build a profitable and scalable business around this opportunity? Travel IQ is designed with a diversified and scalable revenue model. Hope you understand what idea we want to deliver through this. Rather than relying on a single source of income, we have multiple revenue streams that can grow together as the platform expands. Our first revenue stream is premium subscription service, where user gain access to advanced AI recommendation, travel, travel intelligence report, and enhanced planning tools. Second, we generate affiliate commission through flights, hotels, and travel package booking. Every time a user book through one of our partner platform, we can we can earn a commission. Third, we offer AI powered trip planning service and premium itinerary generation. Fourth, we provide B2B solution for travel agencies, hotels, tourism operators, and hospitality partners seeking travel insight and analytics. Finally, sponsor listing and strategy brand collaboration create additional monetization opportunities. What makes this model particularly attractive is its scalable. Once our AI infrastructure and data ecosystem are established, the cost of serving additional users remains relatively low. This creates strong operating leverage, recurring revenue potential, and a long-term profitability. In other words, Travel IQ is not only solving a major market problem, it is also being a built as sustainable, high-growth technology business capable of generating significant long-term values. Now, I would like to hand over next slide to my teammate. Over to you.
Yeah. Uh, Thank you, teammate, for taking us through the Travel IQ's vision, the problems we are solving, and the solution, and the market opportunities, and the business model. So, building on that, I would like to now focus on why Travel IQ represents the strong investment opportunity, and how we plan to execute our vision, and the value that we aim to create for the travelers and the investors. So first of all, we have to ask ourselves why invest in Travel IQ. Pain and the whether they are making the right decisions or not. Intersection of two massive growth trends, that is artificial intelligence and the digital travel. While many companies help users book trips. So, uh, so there is how our Travel IQ platform creates value, and for that reason, we are positioned at the intersection of the two massive growth trends, that is artificial intelligence and digital travel. While many companies help users book trips, very few of them make smarter travel decisions before they book. And we see this significant market gap and the even bigger business opportunity. As
more users interact with our platform, our recommendation engine becomes more smarter, our insights become more valuable, and the competitive advantage continues to the strengthen. So we believe Travel IQ has the potential to become the trusted intelligence layer of the travel ecosystem. And before going forward, we can discuss upon the uh, ROI, that is return of investment. So from an investment perspective, our focus is not just growth; it's a scalable growth. The capital raised will be strategically invested and in product development, AI enhancement, infrastructure, and the customer acquisition. So our business model combines recurring subscription revenue, affiliate commissions, premium travel services, and the B2B partnerships, which creates multiple streams of income, and that makes this opportunity attractive, which is scalability of the platform. So once the technology foundation is established, we can serve a significant larger user base without a proportional increase in the operational cost. So this allows us to improve margins over time and while continuously expanding our market reach. So our goal is to build a sustainable business that delivers long-term value for customers, partners, and the investors also. So if you talk about the development roadmap, so we have disciplined execution. Also, we have the structured roadmap, which is in three phases. So phase one mostly focused on building and validating the core platform. And I'm pleased to share that we have successfully completed our phase one. That includes the development of our team website, uh, Travel IQ website, and the core user experience. So let me briefly showcase our platform. So this is the platform, the user base of the login and sign in port, portal. By entering your credentials, after that we uh, log into the landing page. Here we can scroll down. So this is the Travel IQ's website, and that is how we can make our decisions smarter and way better than others. Now coming back to the slide. So this is how I told you, like we already have the um, uh, created the website and all. So building on this foundation, we prepare the two more phases. Like phase two will focus on integrating advanced AI capabilities such as personalized recommendations and the intelligent travel insights, while phase three will focus on scaling through the partnerships, analytics, and the market expansion. So, with that, uh, if we talk about the phase two, so over the next 4 to 6 months, phase two will focus on transforming Travel IQ into the smarter travel intelligence platform through the AI-powered itinerary generation, price prediction, weather and safety intelligence. Also, with this personalized travel recommendations. And following that, over the next 7 to 12 months, phase 3 will focus on the scaling of the platform through the mobile application like B2B partner APIs, advanced analytics, and the cloud infrastructure. So to support the larger scale adoption, and the investment we seek today will help us accelerate these phases and establish Travel IQ as a comprehensive AI-powered travel intelligence ecosystem. So for this, uh, we need a team. So before going forward, we must know like a strong vision requires a strong team, and that's exactly what we are building at Travel IQ. So our current team combines expertise across technology, that is AI, data analytics, and the development. So that enables us to turn up the vision into the reality. So as we scale up, we will strengthen our team with the specialist in engineering, customer success, marketing, business development to support the growth and the market expansion. And because ultimately great products are built by great teams, and we are committed to building both. So after that, having built the product and assembled in the with the right team, so our next focus is market adoption. So we go to the market strategy is built around four key channels. First is the through the digital marketing, social media, travel content, and the influencer collaborations that we aim to create awareness and attract our initial user base. Secondly, uh, we will establish strategic partnerships to with the travel agencies, hotels, airlines, and tourism organizations to expand our reach and generate B2B opportunities. The third channel will be we will introduce referrals and the loyalty programs to encourage user acquisition that increase engagement and the long-term retention. Finally, through our early launch strategy, including free trials and the exclusive early adopter benefits, we will gather valuable user feedback while building a strong community around Travel IQ platform. So together, these channels will help us acquire users, build trust, and scale that platform efficiently. So for this, we need the strategic investment. So for you, we are doing what about the opportunity for the investment. So as we conclude that, I would like to focus on the opportunity that lies ahead in this platform technology. So today we are seeking strategic investment to accelerate the next phase of the Travel IQ's growth. The funding will help us enhance our AI capabilities, scale our platform, expand the market reach, also build strong industry partnerships. So these things makes this opportunity compelling and more convergence of the uh, powerful trends. So uh, the travel industry continues to grow year by year. So artificial intelligence is transforming how people make decisions, and modern travelers increasingly expect personalized, data-driven experiences rather than generic recommendations. So Travel IQ brings these trends together through a platform designed to help travelers make smarter decisions before they book. We have already demonstrated our ability to execute by completing our first phase and the building on the other working platforms. So, with the right investment and the strategic guidance, we are now ready to accelerate the development of advanced AI features, scale our ecosystem, and reach a much larger audience. We believe the future of travel is not just about booking trips, it's about making better travel decisions. And Travel IQ is positioned to handle these all things. So we invite you to join us this platform to build the future of this technology. So before going further, uh, let me summarize these things. We have already demonstrated our ability to execute by successfully completing our first phase and building the working platforms. So we believe the future of travel is not just about booking trips, it's about making better travel decisions. And Travel IQ is positioned to become the trusted intelligence platform for the next generation for the travelers. So as we conclude, I would like to leave you to the one thought with the one thought. So millions of people travel every year, but making the right travel decisions is still unnecessarily complicated. So Travel IQ changes that by combining AI, real-time intelligence, and personalized recommendations, we empower travelers to make smarter decisions with confidence. We have identified a real problem, built a scalable solution, defined a sustainable business model, and established a clear roadmap for growth. Now, with the right strategic partners and the investment support, we are ready to take the next step. And for this reason, I would like to thank you for your time and your attention and your consideration. So we look forward to answering your questions and discussing how together we can shape the future of this platform. So with that, I would now like to invite our director, sir, to share the valuable wrapping and the insights on the today's topic. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Hey, thanks, Axiom's entrance team. You did a fabulous job to present your white label applications and the developmental progress. Certainly, these all presentations are impressive enough to impress the investor to invest on these applications. I again wish you the best luck to complete these applications and upskill yourself to uh, serve better to the industry. For those who are attending these live stream sessions, do join us for such kind of upcoming live stream sessions. The motive is to upskill ourselves and to understand the requirement of industry better to serve them efficiently and in a better way. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
In Axiom Tech Guru, we transform ideas into scalable digital solutions with AI, innovation, and technology that drives real business growth.